Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting now. Put the Apple Watch on your wrist and wake the screen. Once visible, swipe up from the bottom of the watch face to open Control Center so you can act quickly. Look at the battery percentage and icon at the top. That number shows remaining power instantly and helps you decide whether to charge or switch modes. If you don't see it, make sure you're on the watch face and not an app. Control Center only appears from the face. Once done with the Control Center check, press the digital crown and open settings, then tap battery to see detailed stats and activity trends. This explains why the watch drops faster at certain times. Make sure to also open the watch app on your iPhone for longer-term graphs and app-by-app drain info. That helps pinpoint culprits. If you need to extend time, toggle low power mode or enable power reserve. These reduce background activity and save charge immediately. Finish by charging if percentage is low. Place the watch on the magnetic charger and wait until it reaches your target level, because partial charging can be fine for quick use. Next, optimize settings, lower brightness, limit background, app refresh and notifications, and disable unnecessary sensors to improve endurance over days. If battery still drains oddly, restart the watch and install any watch OS updates, which often fix power bugs. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, unpair and repair the watch to reset software state.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.